Oh, cheers and aloha, live leakers. This severe macaw parrot we have, and a couple years ago, it laid some eggs. Here's the other crew. One thing of the live leaker, flightless bird, I think of this guy right here. Because, well, he can't fly. And this one here looks like the other one did before it plucked the feathers. What do you got back there? What do you got? What is that? What is that? It's an egg. Yeah. You got an egg back there. Too bad we don't have an narrow one like this. Come on. Reason being is, well, it'd be kind of cool to have a fertilized egg. Ooh, it's still warm. So, last time it laid eggs, I didn't take them away. This time I'm going to take them away and see if it keeps laying eggs. So, yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, egg. Say bye-bye. Do you want this? Tickle? Tickle? Cheers, aloha, live leakers. Yeah, cut my toupee off again. Ain't it cool? It's summertime, you know. So, this is 2 days after the this guy here laid his egg. I'm going to see if I can't zoom in on it for you back here. That's the second egg right there. So I'm going to collect it. Now, this guy, who's now really a girl, did this like 2 years ago when we first discovered he's a she. So I left the eggs in there and it quit laying eggs. So this time, because it's laying eggs, I'm taking the eggs and we're going to do a lively parrot egg breakfast for us. Hi, Sheriff. Can I have that egg? Hi, Sheriff. Look what I have. I have your egg. Look. I'm going to take your egg, because I know there's no male bird to fertilize it. I'm going to eat your baby. What do you think of that? Huh? I'm going to eat your baby. I'm going to eat your baby.